Struggling to insert a column into an Excel table? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. After watching this tutorial, it'll be a piece of cake. Let's get started. Welcome to How to in 2 Minutes. If you are looking for short videos with advice in less than 2 minutes, you have come to the right place. If you need to add some data into your table, Excel has got your back with its handy-dandy function for inserting empty column, or even multiple columns in the spreadsheet. Let's have a look how to add an extra empty column. We want to add a missing column region between column B and C. It's simple as pie, just click on the column C, right-click and select Insert. And just like that, Excel adds an empty column C to the left of the original column C, right where we wanted it. Now we can add the missing regions into the new column. But wait, there's more. Let's say we want to add 3 empty columns right next to the column C. You don't have to do it one by one. Excel adds columns next to the selected parts, so we'll click on the column where we want to add the columns, in this case, column D products. Then, click and hold the left button on your mouse and drag it to the right. You'll see the number of selected columns, so you don't have to waste time counting columns. Let's select as planned 3 columns, right-click on the selected columns and choose Insert. And there you have it, folks. By following these easy-peasy steps, you can add as many columns as your heart desires. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on How to in 2 Minutes.